What happens when you take a sports car, no plan, and thousands of miles across America? That's what our channel is all about. But there's a thing. This channel isn't just about us, it's about you as well.
We'd like to inspire as many of you as possible to take your own dream road trips, whether it's in a Porsche or whatever car makes you feel alive.
And you know what? We just hit 500 subscribers. Thank you guys. Our next big milestone would be a first 1,000, and we want to get there in the next 4 weeks.
And when we hit that goal, we are gonna be doing a live raffle with some epic road trip essentials, giving away a dash cam as well as fuel and hotel gift cards, so you can start planning your dream road trip.
You wanna be in? It's easy! If you are new here, just hit subscribe, drop the comment down below with the word subscribe. That's it, you are entered. As simple as that. If you've been on the channel for a while, congrats! Nothing else to do, you already entered.
We are building a community that one day might be big enough to raffle.
Oh no, you wanna raffle our Porsche Boxster itself? This is possible. But now let's get to our second milestone, 1,000 subscribers together. Hit subscribe and join the ride.